Hello everyone and welcome back to Sudden Wealth. So, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most of the altcoins seem to be having a very green day. As I mentioned, the more we stay above 30,000, the better. The more likely it is that we're going to move to 34 to 35,000 on Bitcoin. And then in a month or so, in the next, I would say between July and August, Ethereum should outperform Bitcoin. I think the gains in Bitcoin for this run are largely made, although if we do go to 35,000, it is a good upgrade. We may then go all the way back to 28,000 and retest that area. We'll see. That would actually be very bullish. Don't forget, we are in the recovery year. That means that we go up more than we go down, but we still go down a lot. Why? There's a lot of disbelief in any rally. Why? Because people remember what happened last year. So people are fearful, people don't believe the rally so easily. That's going to come 2024 and 2025. And you know my feelings around BlackRock and their ETF, Fidelity also entering the space, Deutsche Bank entering the space, MasterCard entering the space. However, I do believe this cycle, although it's going to be one of the last big cycles where you can make generational wealth, it is going to be probably the biggest cycle of them all. Why? With the entrance of institutional money, that is like having retail entering the market, but on steroids. I mean, for example, BlackRock manages $11 trillion in assets, which is almost 50% of the entire economy of the United States. So that matters more than a million people coming in with $1,000 each. See, that's what I mean. So, unfortunately, the large institutions kind of undermine the proposition of crypto to some degree. It will actually be incredibly helpful to pump our bags in the cycle. And as I mentioned, we are now in the accumulation stage. These are all, not financial advice, of course, but I do believe you should. So when you buy in the bull market, you can make a lot of money. But to make generational wealth, that is when you buy in the bear market and in the recovery year. Not in 2024, 2025. But now there are a lot of new projects, which ones to pick, which ecosystems to pick. I will reveal my picks for the next bull market. If you actually look at my name as Sudden Wealth Syndrome, you'll probably kind of figure it out what it is. But in any case, I do believe those coins will do the best, and they will go up at least hundreds of X. Now, as for the Ethereum play, I do believe that while Bitcoin will go, if Bitcoin goes to 35,000, Ethereum should go to 2,200, 2,300. So there is a bigger percentage gain than Bitcoin. What will happen at 35,000 to be seen. Nobody can tell you with definite surety, but it seems the more we stay above 30K, the more likely 34, 35K becomes. So keep that in mind, guys. Don't forget, though, it's unlikely that you're going to see a 75% rally on Bitcoin with no selling, because that is things for the bull market. We are still in the recovery year, so you go up 20%, but you go down 10%. So you go up 5%, but you go down 1.5%, so on and so forth. So be aware of that. Don't panic, and I think you'll do very well. So, but keep in mind, Bitcoin, yes, there is upside, but the biggest upside, in my opinion, out of the main two of the, let's call it the blue chips, Bitcoin and Ethereum has the highest potential, and we are still in the Bitcoin phase, so you see the dominance going higher, but you should start seeing over July and August Ethereum to outperform Bitcoin. So that's it, guys. That's my quick update, and I'll see you in the next one.